Well, greetings and salutations, test takers. This is the Series 7 Guru coming to you from my off-grid studio, getting our kicks on historic Route 66 with an explication request. If you have an explication request, just send that to explication request at guruexamprep.com. Here's today's request. A margin account has a market value of $20,000, debit balance of 8. What is the buying power? Uh, I have a whole lecture. I'll link to it. You can check it out. It's called Don't Overdose on Margin. Maybe three, four questions, pretty straightforward, but let's go through this one. One thing I would definitely want you to know is the classical margin equation. The classical margin equation long is long market value minus debit equals equity. I think the best analogy would be like a house. Market value of the house minus mortgage on the house equals equity in the house. Equity represents what you would have if you sold these securities and paid off the loan, just like it represents if you sold the house and paid off the mortgage, what you would walk away with. Nobody's suggesting you do that. So the key on margin questions is to do the setup, right? So 20,000 in market value. We owe the broker dealer the mortgage debit register what you owe the broker dealer $8,000. So the equity account is 12,000. That could have actually been the question, but you definitely should know the classical margin equation. Now, we love to lend customers money. It's one of our all-time favorite things to do. And so I want to see how much you've borrowed thus far, how much collateral you have, to see if perhaps I can't loan you more money. It's the same concept as an excess equity line of credit in a house, right? Bank says, Dean, you got more equity in the house than you need. We're willing to extend you a further loan. So is a broker dealer here, right? So we're going to compare that to Reg T. Reg T, half of $20,000 is 10. So I can loan you up to $10,000 on $20,000 in collateral. Or another way to think about it is you can be, at risk for more money here, right? So I say, listen, you have $12,000 in equity and Reg T is 10, so you have $2,000 in excess equity. Now, for test purposes, you could think of excess equity and SMA as one and the same. They're not actually, but I don't want to get into the fine details here. But if we would have said how much cash can the customer withdraw, that would have been $2,000. That would be using your SMA as cash, right? Not the question, but if I send you $2,000, now you would owe me 10,000, right? The 8 I lent you to buy the stock, and the 2 I'm advancing you. Again, it's kind of like the idea of the only way to get your own money out of the house is to sell it. If you're drawing equity out of the house through an excess equity line of credit, the loan goes up. Now, if you want to use that in our catalog, I'm joking, but 2 times your SMA is your buying power. And that's the answer to this question. The answer to this question is $4,000. Now, as a bonus, I'm going to show you what the account looks like. If the customer says, Dean, I'd like to use my buying power, what that means is they can buy up to $4,000 without making an additional deposit, right? So let's just show you what that looks like if the customer uses their SMA as buying power and buys $4,000 worth of additional securities. So on T plus one, when we settled the trade, we didn't use any of the customer's monies. We used broker dealer money. So the customer used to owe us 20, and now he owes us 24, another $4,000 for the stock we bought. And remember, he didn't put up any of his own money. So you owed us 8, but now we lent you another 4. So now you owe us $12,000. And please note, you had $12,000 in equity. You still have $12,000 in equity. It's just now it's carrying a larger loan, right? So sometimes on I'm wishing for every test taker a dream draw. Everything you studied shows up, and you go, what's the big deal? But every once in a while you get a face of death draw. On a face of death draw, maybe they ask you the effect on the various, ledger entries here, right? And here, please note, using the buyer power affected the market value, affected the debit, but didn't affect the equity. All right, well, remember, inch by inch, margin is a cinch, yard by yard, margin is hard, and I will see you for the next explication request.